Quanex's strategic expansion into window and door hardware has welcomed numerous plants into its family, and the facility in Sioux Falls has quickly established itself as a leading contributor to Quanex's Midwest operations. The Sioux Falls plant, while a recent addition to Quanex, has quickly demonstrated its value. Since its 2017 opening, its team of 287 employees efficiently utilizes 160,000 square feet of space to produce $27 million in product annually, and drives an additional $129 million in revenue through its distribution operations. Uniquely, the Sioux Falls location combines specialized manufacturing and strategic distribution. 46,000 square feet is allocated to the production of custom window balances, multi-point locks, and patio door hardware kits, while a 100,000 square foot hub streamlines Midwest distribution, stocking inventory from hardware facilities in Juarez, Monterey, Owatonna, and beyond. Driven by the surging demand for custom window components, production manager Ryan Weedy's team efficiently leverages their expertise and determination to achieve a remarkable annual production of 300,000 multi-point locks, 1.9 million hardware kits, and over 3 million window balances. Simultaneously, distribution manager Carter Gronseth's shipping and receiving team ensures a smooth flow of goods, processing an average of $500,000 worth of products onto 12 trucks every day.
This facility's had a really good history of just making it happen. So when we get challenged for a big order, we get challenged for a new type of product, or we have to solve a problem that our customer has, we step up to the challenge and we make it happen. We average about 12 new part numbers a day just on the block and tackle side for those custom windows. So it is kind of a custom shop here, but definitely one of those things that makes us exciting and something new every day.
So there's a lot of moving parts going on in a distribution center. You have the inbound side and you have the outbound side, and they have to work in unison with one another. As far as making sure we have trucks going out on time, there's a lot of communication that happens amongst the supervisors, the leads, the folks working on doing the picking, the packing, the auditing from a quality standpoint to ensure that we ship out on time and in full and meet our customers' needs.
While functioning with distinct responsibilities, the Sioux Falls teams operate in a highly collaborative environment, relying on each other for daily success. Their adaptability, experience, and diversity, representing 22 countries, strengthen their collective performance. And to ensure inclusive communication and drive continuous improvement, a plant-wide town hall is held monthly, providing a platform for all team members to share ideas and suggestions. The plant also gives back to the Sioux Falls community by volunteering to provide meals to the less fortunate, running food and school supply drives, and even helping build homes for Habitat for Humanity.
I am most proud to work here because of the people and the culture in this facility. Our teamwork is just phenomenal. Everybody wants to make sure that it happens correctly. When people ask for help, everybody's willing to chip in and help. And it's really awesome to see that every day on the factory floor.
Everybody's willingness to step up, help out, learn new things with different changes that have come throughout the last few years here. It's a very rich culture of people stepping up and rising to the occasion.
The Sioux Falls facility exemplifies how distinct teams, united by a common purpose, can achieve exceptional results for everyone at Quanex.
In Sioux Falls, South Dakota, we are part of something bigger.